One tank could spray up to 320 gallons because you are diluting it with like water that is coming out of your garden hose, versus like if you are using a sprayer like this, it will take you forever to like mix and then spray, mix, especially when you are spraying a large like area. Whereas with this one, it's only like one tank. This is a 32-ounce tank and it could spray, like what I said earlier, 320 gallons. We are growing organically, so I'm only using soap and then vegetable oil. But if you are not growing organically, you can use like pesticide, herbicide, insecticide on this tank. If you need a fertilizer, you can use this one too, and you can spray a large area bland in a short period of time. So I'll put like this is, I'm just using this like dishwashing soap. So this will protect the plants from like pests, then also like vegetable oil, like from molds, rust, and like some insects, like any like those garden enemies. So just close it. I don't have a huge like land to spray this with, so I'm only like putting in this amount of concentrate with soap and then oil, and I'm mixing it and then I just need to connect this to a hose. And there is a mirror here, so if I want like only a little bit of concentrate, then I put it into like to 1, and then it depends on like how much concentrate, the proportion of concentrate to water that you would like to use. Here for example, you can see the yellowing of the leaves. This is like rust. If you look underneath, you could see that there are like some rust there. This is the most common like fungal disease in the garden. I am using this like a garden hose. I just need to take out the sprayer. If I use a sprayer like this, it will take me a long time. With this one, I just attach the hose. So this has a universal like size. Any garden hose, like your regular garden hose, you can just attach to this. And then the way it works is like it will pull water from your hose and then mix it with the concentrate down here. I'm growing organically, so I'm just using soap and vegetable oil, but you can put like pesticides or insecticides or fungicide, whatever you use, or fertilizer on this tank, and it will be diluted by water instead of you mixing it up with water. So the way it works, and this like part, you can either direct it upwards like this because rust is underneath those leaves, so I can do this, or you can put it like down like that too, or on the side. So let's put it up and then start spraying this plant. And you can spray from the underneath. A wider space, which will take a long time to spray using a handheld like sprayer. This one makes that task a breeze. See how easy compared to this one? This is from Chapin. It's a professional multi-use sprayer. If you need to spray like tall trees, like this one, this is a pine tree, then this is a perfect sprayer for you too. There's nothing wrong with the pine tree. I just wanted to show you how to use it on like tall trees. But by the way, look at this beautiful flowers. See, I was able to spray the tree with this using this one, and this is we are here in our front yard now, and then so you could install, you could like put this in any like regular hose. So like once again, this is papyrus. Yeah, papyrus. I like papyrus. So this is designed to stay like in this position. So even if you do it like this, once again, a lot of the trees. This is really helpful if you need to spray tall trees or wide areas. And it's pretty strong too, because it's not using the pressure from the tank but using the pressure from your water supply. That's why it could spray like really like tall trees. And also like there is an instruction here on how to use, which is pretty handy, instead of like looking at the manual or going to the computer if you forget something, or if you don't know, if you have questions, for example on the metering is right here. And at first I thought this is kind of like, you know, wobbly, because I was like doing this, and then how come it's not like this one, it's not like pretty like tight. But apparently it's designed that way. So even if you go this way, so it's designed to have this tank at this position. So even if you do it this way or the other way, it will stay in like this position. This is made here in the United States with global materials, and their customer and technical support is also here in the United States, in New York. I have been growing edible plants and flowers for a very long time, and I highly recommend this if you are looking for a sprayer. If you think you have a need for this sprayer, the link is down below and also in the comment. And if you find this video helpful or informative, please click on the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.